Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change a bank account in Etsy. First of all, open the web browser. Here search Etsy. Click to open its site. Then click on the Sign In button. Enter your email, password to sign in. Or you can continue to sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Enter your email and password, then sign in. So now you're signed in. Click to open Shop Manager. Once you get into the Shop Manager, click on the Finances option from the dashboard. From Finances, go into Payment Settings. Here you can see the bank details. Then click to edit the bank details. Now you can change or add a new bank name, account number. Also, you can change the currency. Then click to save and verify account. That's how you can change your bank account. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.